In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and customize the language switcher in the Shopify Dawn theme. This will allow you to cater to a broader audience by supporting multiple languages on your Shopify store, enhancing the shopping experience for your international customers. Let's start by enabling multi-language support. First, head over to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the Settings section and then click on Languages. Here, you'll see an option to add a new language. Simply click on Add Language and select the languages you wish to support on your store. Shopify gives you the flexibility to choose between enabling automatic translations for a limited set of languages or managing these translations manually. This choice can be based on your specific business needs or the level of customization you require for each language. Next, it's time to enable and customize the language switcher in the Dawn theme itself. Start by accessing the theme editor. You can do this by going to Online Store, selecting Themes, and clicking Customize on your current theme, which should be Dawn. Once in the editor, you'll need to locate the language switcher. It's typically found within the header or footer section of your theme. Once you've found it, look for a checkbox or setting that relates to the language selector and make sure it's enabled. This will activate the switcher for your customers to use. You can also customize its appearance to better fit your store's design. This might include adjusting the font size, the font weight, and whether you want to display the full language name or simply the language code. Make these adjustments according to your brand's aesthetic and what you feel will be the most user-friendly option for your customers. Don't forget to hit Save after you've made your desired changes to ensure everything is applied correctly. Sometimes the language switcher might not automatically appear in the header or footer, and in such cases, you may need to delve into the theme's code. To edit the code, go to Online Store, then Themes, followed by Actions, and finally select Edit Code. You'll want to locate the header.liquid file in the list. Open that file and find the code responsible for the language switcher. If necessary, you can move this code to a different section to suit your layout preferences. Once you've adjusted the placement, save the changes you've made to the header.liquid file. Lastly, it's worth considering using translation apps for more robust translation features. Apps like Shopify Translate and Adapt or Weglot from the Shopify App Store can provide you with automatic translations and manage different language versions of your site more effectively. These tools can offer advanced customization options that might be beyond what the basic Shopify settings can do. By following these steps, you'll have enabled and customized the language switcher in your Shopify Dawn theme, ultimately offering a seamless browsing experience for your international customers, helping them feel right at home while shopping on your store.